Myself Dr. Sanjay P. Shukla. Today I am going to start series of lecture on miasms. As we know, miasms is the only cause of disease. Miasms are intrinsic reaction mechanism in every individual, expressed at mental and physical and pathological level. When these reactions start to manifest in pathological way, they create the disease. All the three miasms are present in every individual, but the prominent one is considered as miasms of in that particular individual. The prominent miasm depend on various factors, most important being our genetic makeup. Other environmental factors act as exciting and maintaining causes for the same. As my earlier lecture I said, each miasm is decided by genetic makeup and it expresses in the human being with temperament and constitutions. As earlier I said, body is made up of cell. The three main function of cell is production, protection and destruction. These functions can be connected with three miasms and with the genetic patterns. As the genetic pattern recessive, it connect with the productions and express like SORA, and neutral, that is co-recessive or co-dominant, as a protection and express character like psychotic, and dominant is like destructions and express character like syphilis. So in this lecture I am going to explain you the miasm SORA. As SORA can be defined as the state where one is full of energy and hope, but are not aware of this capability and hence show a constant state of struggle. Soric patients will show a childlike innocence and desire to do something new, but has no idea about their ability and capability, as there is no depth in their understanding and it's very superficial. So are their pathology and mostly have no pathological changes but just functional derangement. This is the Soric chart where we can see two Soric children faces and laughing with expression of innocence, and in graphic presentation SORA is on the prominent and syphilis and psychosis is not that much significant. SORA can be explained in just few words like nominative, getting a identity and thus giving identity, and creative, they have lot of new and creative idea but lack in depth understanding. Vocal, very communicative, like communicate with pupils. Optimistic, they are very optimistic. SORA can be combined with other miasms like Soric psychotic. When SORA combines psychotic, symptoms of SORA and psychotic will be expressed in the patients. Thus, they will show a constant struggle for ability and capability with understanding of their weakness. Soric psychotic patients, they express Soric presentations with psychotic sting. These are the two phases of Soric psychotic patients. One child, on his face he is expressing his anger, what he tried to hide. In other patients, his face is expressing the emotions but he is hiding. So exactly in Soric psychotic patients, they try to hide but somewhere the Soric express, and that is the exact core of Soric psychotic. The next miasm is Soric syphilitic. These people will show syphilitic features on the base of SORA. Thus, they will be having syphilitic trend of hopelessness with struggle for their capability and ability. These are the two phases of Soric syphilitic. Will show syphilitic features on the base of SORA. as we understand that all psoriatic pathology is due to the genetic state of recessive, as recessive having quality of recessive and dominance. That's why all the pathology is not deep seated, and if homeopathic medicine selected holistically, there are miraculous results in all pathology. This is all about Sora what we understand. In the next lecture, we are going to understand about the other miasm, that is psychosis. Thank you for watching.